Now, inhaler device development. What are the process? How? Step by step. In the development of a device is contrast. Typically, only the mechanical engineers are involved. Involving physicists can prove the all they can provide fluid dynamics and modeling capability. So physics is involved on the when you developed. The pharmacist can provide formulation and GMP knowledge. The clinician provide user aspects. The chemist provide materials and stability inputs, involving more different skills and managing them appropriately with lead to better and more robust products. So each and every department responsibility for the product development is specified. See nicely. Focusing and effort of the communication and interaction of people from different disciplines can be very rewarding them that is approximately, or you can say you should be appropriately, you should perfectly will lead to better or more robust product. So this is the most important thing, that is step by step department responsibility. Focusing and effort on the communication and interaction of people from different disciplines can be very rewarding for the project performance. This is also very evident, that is in the interaction between the pharmaceutical company and the that is suppliers. Injection molding requires and that is the understanding of both requirements and capabilities of both the supplier and the pharmaceutical company. It depends on what type of inhaler you are going to manufacture, what should be the design, and what is the purpose of that. All this specific pharmaceutical company will communicate to the mold developer. Selecting a supplier is a very critical activity which requires that is both strategic and technical, that is expertise, and good communication between that is different skills. When finishing development and preparing for that is industrialization, mean commercialization and manufacturing, timing is very critical, that is as different parts of the development are run in parallelly it will run different department responsibility. A strategy is needed to manage early performance prediction, that is when the various parts are in different stages of completion. When designing for manufacturer and manufacturing the product, a right balance must be found between the performance uniformness and robust manufacturing high, that is CPK. A high, that is CPK, often means robust manufacturing and a lower cost of goods. However, a mechanically robust device can sometimes that is give a less robust product. Device change during the product life cycle. What is this exactly? The impact of a change to an inhaled product or device is a question that has to be considered throughout the whole life cycles of the product. Changes can arise, that is during the design and clinical evolution, the clinical trial evolution. Changes can occur. Phases product development in response of user feedback, during handling studies, or during clinical evolution. Similarly, changes may be required before product launch, in response to robustness testing, or during industrialization, that is during manufacturing, as modification may be required to permit high speed manufacturer and assembly. Once the product is launched, changes may occur for a number of reasons, which include in response. So this is the the step by step, that is how to develop your inhaler. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe.